before you scroll through another used car listing. Stop. What if I told you that spending less than $5,000 could land you a car that sips gas, costs almost nothing to maintain, and lasts longer than many modern vehicles? Most people rush into buying cheap used cars that look good but secretly drain their wallets every single month. High fuel costs, expensive repairs, hidden problems. But today, I'm about to show you 5 shockingly efficient used cars under $5,000 that smart buyers know about and dealerships rarely talk about. Watch till the end, because the last car on this list surprises almost everyone. Buying a used car on a tight budget feels risky. You want something affordable, reliable, and fuel-efficient, but the market is full of traps. Big engines, poor mileage, and neglected vehicles can quickly turn a cheap car into a financial nightmare. Let's start with one of the most underrated fuel savers ever built: the Toyota Corolla early 2000s models. This car didn't earn its legendary reputation by accident. With fuel economy often reaching 30 to 35 miles per gallon, the Corolla is a master of balance: cheap to buy, cheap to fuel, and incredibly dependable. Even with higher mileage, these cars often run smoothly if they've received basic maintenance. Parts are everywhere, repairs are affordable, and mechanics know them inside out. Next up is a car many people overlook simply because it doesn't look flashy: the Honda Civic 1999 to 2004. Civics from this era are famous for lasting well beyond 200,000 miles. More importantly, they deliver excellent gas mileage, often pushing 36 mpg on highways. The engines are simple, efficient, and forgiving, perfect for first-time buyers or anyone tired of constant repair bills. Here's the key lesson most buyers miss: looks don't matter nearly as much as efficiency and reliability. A clean-looking used SUV might seem tempting, but it could cost double in fuel compared to a compact sedan. Smart buyers focus on proven platforms, not shiny paint. And we're just getting started, because the next car on this list might be one you've never even considered. But once you see its fuel numbers, you won't ignore it again. Most people think saving money on gas means sacrificing comfort or reliability. One perfect example is the Toyota Yaris 2007 to 2010. This small hatchback doesn't turn heads, but it absolutely destroys fuel costs. Many owners report 354 mpg, even with city driving. The Yaris uses a lightweight design and a simple engine, meaning fewer things break over time. Insurance costs are low, parts are cheap, and maintenance is minimal. It's the kind of car that quietly saves you hundreds every year. Then there's the Ford Focus 2005 to 2008, but only with the manual transmission. This is important. Manual Focus models are surprisingly reliable and offer solid fuel economy, often hitting 30 mpg combined. They're widely available, which keeps prices low, and they're comfortable enough for daily driving without the fuel penalty of a larger car. Another hidden gem is the Chevrolet Aveo. While it doesn't have a glamorous reputation, it excels in one critical area: efficiency. With gas mileage often above 32 mpg, it's a budget commuter's dream. Repairs are straightforward, and parts are inexpensive. If you find one that's been well maintained, it can be a fantastic short to medium term solution. Here's the truth: most sellers won't tell you. Fuel savings compound over time. Saving even $30, $40 per month on gas adds up to hundreds of dollars a year. That's money that stays in your pocket instead of disappearing into your fuel tank. But there's one car left, one that blends hybrid level efficiency with old school reliability. And if you can find it under $5,000, it might be the smartest purchase you'll ever make. This final car is often misunderstood, underestimated, and ignored, but it might be the best gas saver under $5,000 if you know what to look for. Let's talk about the early Toyota Prius 2004-2007. Yes, a hybrid. Yes, under $5,000. And yes, it can still be a brilliant buy. Early Prius models routinely deliver 4550 mpg, even after years on the road. That's nearly double the fuel efficiency of many traditional used cars in this price range. The biggest concern people have is the hybrid battery, but here. The secret: many replacement batteries are now far more affordable than they used to be, and some models continue running for years without issues. The Prius shines in city driving. Stop-and-go traffic barely affects fuel usage, making it ideal for commuters, delivery drivers, or anyone who spends time in urban areas. On top of that, Toyota engineered this car for longevity. The engines are low stress, the transmissions are durable, and the braking system lasts longer due to regenerative braking. So why don't more people buy it? Simple. People fear what they don't understand, but smart buyers research, inspect properly, and save massive amounts on fuel. Before buying any used car under $5,000, remember this rule: prioritize fuel economy, choose proven reliability, avoid vehicles with expensive hidden repairs. A car that saves gas doesn't just save money, it reduces stress, lowers monthly costs, and gives you freedom. So, before you buy that cheap used car, ask yourself, is it actually cheap, or will it quietly drain my wallet every time I fill up? Because now you know better.